Hello! Welcome to another First Contact Polymer helpful video. Today, we will be talking about the benefits of using unwaxed dental floss to remove First Contact Polymer film from your optics. Mesh and peel tabs are a great, easy way to remove polymer film. However, you can use something as simple as unwaxed dental floss. We suggest spreading the end of your floss out before applying to provide more surface area for dried film removal and speed up the drying time. Please note, on this optic, there's already been a layer of polymer applied. Floss is used to create a handle to remove dried polymer. Apply the polymer, allow to dry for a few minutes, place the floss down, and add a few drops of polymer to glue it down. Do not put floss directly on an optic, then apply polymer. It can leave a thin layer of residual polymer when removed. Allow it to dry until there is no solvent smell. Then, carefully pull the exposed end of floss. Once the polymer starts to lift, it will easily peel out of the cavity. If you need to spot clean some dust or water spots, floss will lift polymer that is not on an edge. Thank you so much for watching.